Hey everyone, it's Cold Hawk coming at you with Oblivion Remastered. I forgot to unmute my mic when streaming and now the robots are making me look like a fool. Also Vinny is here.
Hello my fellow hawkers, what's up? Let me get some hawk tours in the chat.
I can't.
Oh my god.
That looks just like you.
I know, that's, well,
Oh,
me
the
from
other
like...
option, the other option.
That one.
Hey. I'm gonna go fucking Argonian.
Okay, we're still in the prison. How we looking?
Oh, we just finished character creation.
Looks like you're an Argonian.
Don't know that.
I am.
The messenger only said they were attacked.
I am an Argonian.
No, they're
Chadgonian.
dead.
Chadgonian.
I know it.
Go take her sword. She died. Go pick up her sword.
Where is it?
That's ours. Probably on the dead fucking person. The dead blade, not the dead mythic dawn.
Damn it, I wanna get that.
Like the potions
Are you
of
alright, sire?
sorcery.
Right there. Take her sword. Yeah, Kaviri Katana. Go full weeb.
She's
Just this once. Oh my god.
I have the power of God and anime on my...
Don't get in our... Fuck the Emperor!
Get in there.
your destiny calls you down a different road.
Just fucking swipe at the Emperor right there.
You attacked the Emperor.
Wait, why did I take
Are you part of the Mythic Dawn? Are you working for Mehrunes Dagon?
No.
Your destiny.
The Emperor's like, my time is now, and then Caleb comes over and just...
Your destiny.
So does he talk to me, or?
Give a minute. Talk to him. Maybe he's...
No.
I can go no further. You alone must stand against the Prince of Destruction and his mortal servants.
Now he
He must not
dies.
take...
There he is. He's right next to you. There he is. He can't move.
Stranger, you chose a bad day to take up with the calls.
You can't
Now
loot
loot
the
the
Emperor.
Emperor.
You
Loot
can't
the
loot the Emperor.
Talos
I
said.
can't lose the Emperor.
You can't loot the Emperor. It's wicked to make your class. Talk to him.
We failed. I failed.
Varus is the goat, dude.
The Blades are sworn to protect the Emperor. Now he and all his heirs are dead. The amulet.
my God,
Where's
it
the
is
amulet of
Three-Dog.
Kings? It wasn't on the Emperor's body.
I was like, I don't believe you. Give it back.
Strange. He saw something in you. Trusted you.
Your destiny.
Class.
Where's custom
Just
class?
bottom.
And I guess I'm gonna go destruction and
Do one more. You go restoration. Let's see.
Restoration.
So yeah, then you can hit your overview. Name it.
It's Pilk Lover.
Fuckface McGee. The Night Blade.
The Pilk Blades. Pilk fuck me.
Pilk fuck McGee.
McGee.
Pilk fuck. It's MCGE.
Oh my god.
Really? I would never have
Really?
guessed.
I never would've
Still,
guessed.
I don't think you'll have any trouble with rats and goblins.
Finished. Exit sewers.
That poop water looks so
It truly
nice.
does, Kahuna.
Well, this game, by the way, is just a big prank. The second you go through these gates, you just start playing Skyrim.
Hey, you. Finally awake. You were trying to cross the border, right? Walked right into that Imperial ambush. Same as us. And that thief over there.
Big. You need to level up your acrobatics.
You chose acrobatics, athletics, right?
We did. Should've. Where do I go?
Where will you
actually,
go first?
I think I'm just gonna go to the island first.
You go to the alien ruin.
You can breathe underwater.
That is true, that I can.
Watch out for slaughterfish, though.
That's a prop for
That's
later.
that's a myth. It's a myth.
Slaughterfish are a myth.
Slaughterfish
Yeah, they
are a
don't
myth.
look
You
good.
can't prove it right.
Everyone does when they first play Oblivion. You see that ruin across the lake, and you're like, I gotta go check that out.
I feel like I remember this being like an actually like, for like the beginning, a long run.
Die!
Die.
You're like
Bumped up
fucking
against the
tanky as fuck, I guess.
He's on the. There's no way he's not on the easiest difficulty.
I did like no damage. It's medium.
Yeah, set it to hard.
Set it to the easiest one. I want to
Set
see
it-
how tanky you can get.
Set it to me.
That's
All that damage already.
That damage was yeah.
Immediately you're taking so much more damage and dealing so much less.
Oh, you're about to die.
Because they hit tilde, type TGM.
What?
Hit tilde.
Put it to the easiest difficulty so you can heal.
You
Put it back to adept.
weak potion of healing right there.
Back to adept. We need.
Now you will
You
know.
can't survive on any other difficulty. That's better. Don't forget you have a spell that heals you.
Die, damn you!
They're power deck.
Do you have any heavy armor? You're still wearing light armor.
He dropped it, remember?
Oh,
Fuck, I did.
Smart. Damn, that's a lot of damage. Let's fucking send him. Oh, you're walking into that ball, that's why you're taking so much damage. Should have kept that healer quick.
Go back to adept.
Equip your heal!
You're pathetic.
What are you doing?
Oh my god.
You just out
Gigas,
of
Pilk, the Gigas Charis Pilk. No.
Your apparel is broken.
Well, I don't have any, I don't have anything to fix it. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, you gotta test it.
Okay, hang on. I can do this. I can lock in.
Press R a
Pun
bunch of
intended.
times.
Fuck this. Don't tell me I have to unlock that door.
There's probably something you're supposed to do in one of these side rooms. They did. There it is.
Oh god damn it. Ah! I can do this. It's an easy. Got it. Bandits here?
You have to see that guy right there? Looks like a necromancer. Downward!
Oh, look at this. Spooky ghosts. Spooky ghost, buddy.
Ooh.
Copper ring.
Take a copper ring. Oh, actually, I'll also take leather bracers. I bet they'll look great on me.
Argonian or Khajiit.
Oh, but okay.
Hard.
Oh.
Hit R 12 times. I'm sure that one of them will work.
No, I'm not doing this anymore.
I'm sure
Oh.
it will work.
Like that. Well, doesn't look like there's a key around here.
So I guess you'll just have to pick the lock.
Can I do it?
No!
Okay, I've got 6 shots at this left. Okay, that's one.
There it is. Stream's over. You should have saved before, that way you could just keep trying.
Oh my fucking god, you're right. Oh no, why didn't I do that? I wonder how far back my furthest save is.
Probably the entry of the dungeon. I don't know if you saved it all.
Save. Oh wait.
Oh, when you slept. Level up. Save.
I'll save scum.
Hey, instead of doing it manually, just keep auto trying.
Yeah, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna
Press R. Just keep on pressing R. Well, you should quick save in front of the door.
That's what I was gonna do.
Got it.
I didn't even have
Let's
to go through
go.
that many. Love me some save scumming. And huh. Looks like I can just jump down here.
But do you want to?
This is the only way, really. Oh my god, wait a minute. This is the entrance to the dungeon.
Boom, you're free. You did the whole dungeon.
I'm here to explore Skyrim, not Skyrim. Freudian slip. I'm here to
Explore Skyrim, and I'm fucking stuck in Cyrodiil. I just want to try and cross the border with steal a horse.
Where's Skyrim in relation to Cyrodiil? Is it to the north? Like, is it directly to the north?
It is directly north. You don't know the map of Cyrodiil by heart? You know what I mean? No.
Oh, you messed up.
At least I knew where Skyrim was.
Weird. I mean, hey, I have always been lucky when it comes to Bethesda glitches. I've never really encountered a lot. Like, I've never encountered anything. The only one that I remember is I found a game-breaking one that Esbrin's dialogue does not trigger during the Civil War.
You say Esbrin?
Wait, what's his name again?
Esbern?
Esbern.
You just flip the R and the E.
Oh. Okay, when Esbern's, like, the moment that, like, during the summit, like, meeting between the Imperials and...
unending, yes.
Yeah, so when that happens and one group, like, whoever, like, you piss off, or whoever gets pissed off, when they leave, there's the part where Esbern stands up and is like, no, we've got to do this together. What happens in the game, or what happened in the glitch that I encountered, was that he just got up and then he didn't say anything and the dialogue didn't trigger, so I was just stuck there. And I was like, maybe it's with one of the other what is it? Maybe it's with one of the other options. So what I did was I tried with the other option, and it still triggered that like just solid silence, and I was like, oh, okay, well, never mind. So I had to reload a save, and I don't even think that fixed it. I think I just said fuck it, and whatever the option was. I don't even remember if I did the Civil War or not, or if I just figured out a way to not do the Civil War. Or those are... Maybe I did do the Civil War, I forget. It's annoying as shit, because the last thing I wanted to do was, oh god, I just don't want to do the Civil War to get through just to progress that game.
When you return with Martin, we will figure out our next move.
I just went over here to Wayland Pryor. Totally forgot how to do the conversation minigame.
Dude, he fucking sucks at it.
The Daedra, he
I was telling him what to do, and he still did it wrong.
I mean, it's basically a puppet
Waste
square.
no
Like,
time.
it's not that
You
bad.
must find Martin before the enemy does.
Well, some of us didn't pay attention in biology.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
That's a Punnett square, not a pundit.
I did not pay attention in biology. My biology teacher.
Caleb heard Punnett square, not pundit square.